Hello everyone. Welcome to a real life breakdown.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to my Don't Tell My Mom series. Wow.
I'm German, I need to eat my potatoes. Such a professional setup, I'm not used to that. Beauty light. Cool. When you got an idea. When you found out you want to shave your eyebrows. Today, I want to shave my eyebrows. It doesn't. This is so sad. Like, just stay there. Live breakdown on YouTube. I think I just hit rock bottom. Oh my god, German Trisha Paytas. I think you guys have never seen me any more miserable than at this moment on my channel. Well, I could sound like Trisha Paytas. Why did I do this? Instant regret. Oh, danke. Oh, what y'all are thinking. Has she lost her mind? Is she totally crazy now? Or is it just for the views? I don't know what I have done. I'm like, I need drama in my life.
Anyway, I think the main message got delivered that I'm gonna fucking pierce my fucking tongue today. Sorry for swearing. Don't demonetize me, YouTube.
I already know there are gonna be comments like, oh my god, she lost her mind. She's doing it for the clicks. And you know what? Yes. Sorry. Sexy.
I'm gonna get a tongue piercing.
Das geht ganz schnell. Genau. Bitte tief einatmen und ausatmen mit der. Und geschafft. Und weiter atmen bitte. Und dann noch Kugel da drauf, das war's. Und schlucken, Zunge drin lassen.
Ja, schon wieder reden haben. Oh, das ist aber cool, einfach recht. Ich kann nicht brechen.
Dann erkläre ich dir gleich, worauf du achten solltest. Lass Zunge drin und nicht rausstecken, sonst bleibst du draußen hängen mit den langen Steckern.
Oh.
Das tut weh, ja. Oh mein Gott.
Ja, mal gucken, wann ich wieder nochmal reden kann. Oh mein Gott!
I love it.
Hey, it's a mom.
She's gone.
Wow. Oh, wow. Intense. Wow. Oh, I forgot a part right here. Yum. Touch it. Super soft. Right?
Let's shave the other side.
I think I've lost my mind. I think the freckles changed me. The sound of silence. Hello, darkness, my old friend.
You don't want to get copyrighted, bitch.
Well, that's not gonna stop me from singing. Oh, it's so soft.
So cute.
Or maybe the other side. Bye. Thanks for helping me. Oh, I lost my eyebrow.
Wieder keine.
I'm Bernd. Bernd.
Eyebrow.
What do we think about the wavy brow trend? Don't need no face tune anymore, bitch. No comment. Because I am what? Professional. I love it. Maybe I should go to the Monster X concert like this today.
Oh, yes.
Maybe I should just write Monster X. Show new. Hardcore stan. Show new I shaved my eyebrows for you. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to pluck your eyebrows. Oh, I have no eyebrows. This is the ending of this video. Bye everyone. Time for some water because stay hydrated. Otherwise you will lose your eyebrows like I did. Vincent, let's go!
Sorry, I can't get out.
Okay, hang on. Should I help you? Should I break in? Oh, I'm so strong!
Guck mal, wie mein Pony ist.
Bah.
You didn't even see it.
Look at you.
I see myself.
That's the reaction. The path of love finding to your inner broccoli.
I love it, but I hate the lipstick.
You never notice until your tongue hurts like fucking Satan's asshole, you know? Fuck.
Kind of reinventing my identity. You don't like it? Or maybe I should just be sad. Was eine schreckliche Augenbraue. I forgot how to do makeup. Is this artsy? I'm the emoji. This guy. Oh, I kind of remind me of these mushrooms in Mario. Goomba. Don't they look like this?
Is it still soft?
It is.
I already got used to this look on your face.
Did you? Yes, now I got a lid space. My boyfriend doesn't know about this, by the way. I think that's it. I think I'm gonna leave like this. I'm gonna go out like this. When people comment, she's so annoying. When people comment, I love your natural brows. That's my new crease, everyone. I think this video is over. Alright everyone, so I guess that's the ending of this video. Well, I got new brows now. I think that's gonna be my everyday look. Let's see how much time it will take for my eyebrows to grow back. Imagine my eyebrows would never grow back. Imagine my body's just like, that's it. That's enough video ideas for 2000 forever. Like my eyebrows are just gonna be like, we're gonna stay away, beach. Not coming back to this shithole. Let's just hope for the best. You wanna go out with me? You wanna touch my eyebrow area? Because it's very soft. It's gonna be my pickup line for forever. Alright everyone, so need to be hydrated.
I'm a little scared about piercings in my tongue, on my tongue. But let's do it anyway.
Du bist voll über meine Augenbrauen gegangen.
Echt?
Ja. I fucking hate you. Uppercut.
DIY.
Oh, my neck is tanned, my face is white, and my brows are gone. That's gonna be my next song. Stop! Vincent, let's go! I think I just hit rock bottom. You might be watching a real life breakdown right now. Vincent, are you ready to see my tongue pierced though? Do you think you're gonna faint? Do you think I'm gonna faint? I feel like this is not gonna be a pleasant kind of pain, if you know what I'm saying.
Buen provecho. Avocado as well.
Oh yay! Let's maybe add a little bit of olive oil. This is not pizza. What is it? Baguette roll. Baguette? Pizza
I don't
baguette.
know, stuff you can get in Germany.
I love showing myself on YouTube in my best form.
Yum, 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 yum. Okay, are you ready?
I'm good at blending. Get it? Because of makeup.
Oh, I didn't get it. Did you even add anything?
Yeah.
Are you ready to eat your pizza?
Should I try it?
What's happening?
So much. It's all stuck on my
Oh, it's not
mouth.
liquid enough.
No.
Oh.
It's stuck and I can't reach it because I can't move my tongue upward.
Oh.
It's not even that bad.
Pizza smoothie.
Yeah, now it's literally a pizza smoothie.
Good luck.
It kind of tastes like the pizza baguette.
Yay!
You want to try it?
No. No, I've got my pizza. I can chew. It's weird. Tastes like olive oil.
Yeah. It's just olive oil.
Basically.
Do you get that?
Don't forget to follow me on my social media, which is Naomi Jon on. Naomi Jon Snap on. Oh, my foot. Hello. And the Naomi Jon on. Was? Twitter. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.